Triumph expands its record-setting Bonneville Bobber range this year with the new for 2018 Bonneville Bobber Black. Already a thoroughly modern ride, the factory brushed it up with more tech even as it embraced even more retro-tastic features for an interesting duality of development. Bonneville Bobber price will start at $13,150. Short, compact and cut down, the Black has an all-up-front look with an unmistakable Britishness that seems both dignified and a little bit wild man all at the same time. In spite of its old-school looks, the Bobber delivers an exciting ride, which makes sense cause the original Bobbers were all about performance, after all. Power numbers reveal a sporty personality that gives light to the outdated look of the bike. A total of 78 pounds of grunt come on at 4,000 revolutions per minute with 77 ponies that develop fully by 6,100 revolutions per minute, so there's plenty of power to work with. A 97.6mm bore and 80mm stroke gives the mill its 1,200cc displacement. The compression ratio lands on the cooler end of the spectrum at 10:1, which is still enough to put you at the mid-grade pump even if it gives the bottom end a break and helps limit waste heat generation.